The dollar. So the dollar's in consolidation mode, as I explained yesterday. We're in a range, and obviously this range could go either two ways, really. If we just clear this up a minute, obviously yesterday we're going to be drawn towards this. Well, this is the crossroads, basically 99.50. If we grind down 99.50, then obviously the price tanks hard. It's a big zone, it's a very, very big region. So today, what would force a breakout to the downside for the dollar? And obviously you can just see the narrowing sort of price action at the moment, sort of in a pennant. Look, we saw it before with gold. It could break out to the upside. So it's not always the case of it being bearish because obviously we've had all this downside momentum. You would lean towards it being bearish, but it's going to be at the hand, at the mercy of non-farm payrolls today. The number, I'm not going to blabber on and on and on, but non-farm payrolls is obviously the key. Let's see how those numbers come out. I gave my 2 cents on this already, where we may see a slowdown in hiring. It's possible, all right? Obviously, it's like it's like playing a lottery sometimes with these numbers because the numbers get fudged as well. We've seen that it's so easily manipulated. But maybe just use my analysis head that because we had all this war premium put on goods and costs and everything like that, slight slowdown of hiring could have been observed potentially. Okay, but obviously this is the key as well. Rate hike probabilities. If the number's softer, then probability September, October, December go down. Okay, which is obviously dollar negative if we're not going to be getting the rate hikes. Even though my man said this, Kevin Walsh said that yeah, prepared to raise rates in September if inflation is higher than expected. But Kevin, we'll believe it when we see it, mate. So yeah, dollar obviously it's either breakout retest and then we push to the upside, drawn back into 150. If the number's strong and hot, it will be drawn into 150. If the number's poor, we're going to be very likely breaking down, producing a lower low, breaking down 99.50 and be exposed next week. But next week is a big one because we actually have CPI. Okay. He's just said that we will raise rates in September if inflation is higher than expected. So keep an eye on those inflation numbers next Tuesday, the 12th. It's on the 12th. I believe that's next Tuesday. Other than that, that's enough from me. All this analysis has been put into various resources. Check out the link below. Also, guys, this is the final day for mentorship intake. So do check out the links below. Other than that, stay lit, stay blessed, and let's get it.